Yo, Code Pilots. Welcome back to Python from Zero to Hero, Episode 10. We've soared through variables, conditionals, loops, lists, tuples, dictionaries, functions, modules, and file handling. And now we're tackling error handling. Error handling is like your code safety net. It catches mistakes before they crash everything. We'll learn how to spot and fix errors and build a tough calculator to test it out. So grab your hat, hit that like button if you're ready, and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What's error handling? It's your way to deal with problems like dividing by zero or typing the wrong data. Open VS Code and create a file called main.py. Handles errors to keep code running smoothly. Add try, result is 10 divided by 0. Except zero division error. Print, can't divide by 0. This tries the division, but if it fails, it prints a message instead of crashing. Run it, and you'll see can't divide by 0. The try block tests the code, and except catches the error, keeping your program alive and user-friendly. Let's dig deeper. How do you handle different errors? Errors have specific types, like value error for bad input. Try catches invalid input errors. With try, number equals int, input enter a number. Print number. Except value error. Print, that's not a number. If you type ABC, it catches the error and says that's not a number. You can catch multiple errors with multiple except blocks. Try handles division and input errors together. Add try. Num equals int, input, enter a number. Result equals 10 divided by num. Except value error. Print, not a number. Except zero division error. Print, can't divide by 0. This covers both cases neatly. Now let's use else and finally for more control. The else runs if no error happens. Try runs code if no errors occur. With try, num equals int, input, enter a number. Result equals 10 divided by num. Except value error. Except zero division error. Print can't divide by 0. Else, print result. If you enter 2, it shows result 5.0. The finally block always runs, even with errors. Adds cleanup code that always executes. Add finally, print, done calculating. It prints after every try, no matter what. This makes your code more robust. Time for a mini project, a robust calculator. Let's build it. Create main.py and add builds a safe calculator with error handling. With while true, try. Num1 equals float input, enter first number. Num2 equals float input, enter second number. OP equals input, enter operation, plus, minus, or y. If OP equals divide by plus, result equals num1 divide by num2, equals num1 times num2, equals num1 plus num2, equals num1 plus num2, equals num1 minus num2. Else, raise value error, invalid operation. Except value error as e, print, error. Except zero division error, print, error. Can't divide by 0. Else, print, result, result. Finally, print, ready for next calculation. Test it with 4.2 and divide by 0. Gets result 2.0. Try ABC, or it handles errors gracefully. This loop keeps it running. Let's wrap up with some tips. Use specific except clauses to catch exact errors, not just a general one. Add raise to throw custom errors if needed. Test with edge cases like negative numbers or empty inputs. This calculator can grow. Add more operations or save results to a file. Practice, and you'll be handling errors like a pro. making your code rock solid. That's a wrap for episode 10, Code Pilots. You've mastered error handling and built a tough calculator. Next time, we'll explore object-oriented programming to level up your skills. If you loved this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. We're just getting started. Drop a comment if you've got questions, and I'll see you in episode 11. Keep soaring, Code Pilots.